This conference will now be recorded.
So we are learning about consolidation process. We are learning about consolidation process. So in the consolidation process, let me open this file. Yesterday, what we have discussed. So you can consolidate company A, company B, company C into one legal entity, or company A and company B we can do, or company D only alone you can do the consolidation. Whatever the way you want, you can do the consolidation process. Okay, so only one complexity is if you have different chart of accounts for different companies, means this company has different chart of accounts and this company has different chart of accounts and this company has different chart of accounts, then this number should be populated here. Whatever it is consolidation company number, this number will be mapped here. In the specific legal entity, you need to map what is the consolidation company account number. That's it. That is the only one complexity. Okay, now let me show you how to do the consolidation process in the consolidation company. I'm just opening freshly. So consolidation company is GLCO is the consolidation company. GLCO is the consolidation company. So what is the difference between normal company and a consolidation company means we have discussed already. So in the organization administration, legal entities, if you verify inside here, use financial consolidation process, use financial elimination process. These check boxes should be enabled. Okay, if it is enabled, then you can do the consolidation process. So here consolidations in 2012, it is not a separate module, it is available in GL only, in general ledger only, but in D365 it was separated as a separate module. So consolidate online. Okay, but before that, let me show you already existing transactions. Let me delete. So for easy understanding I'm doing, otherwise it is not required. Just I want to show you the details. Give me a second. And anyhow it is going to the batch jobs. Let me enable this batch jobs. So system will be very slow. Please cooperate with me for a few minutes. So if you are closing, you need to show you, it will show you this one. Just bear with me for 2 minutes or 2-3 minutes. So let it be processed. Meanwhile, anyone has any questions, anything to discuss? So yesterday we have discussed like business unit and business unit, the difference between business unit and legal entity. Still, do you have any questions, anyone? The difference between business unit versus legal entity. So always, if you want to compare, you need to understand from the customer whether they want security permissions separately or not. If they want securities separately, then go with legal entity.
Mr. Satya, I have a question. Mr. Satya?
Hi, Satya, are you there?
Please check WhatsApp group. Satya is facing some network issues.
Okay, thank you.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, we can
Okay,
hear.
sorry, actually there is an issue. Give me a second. There is a network issue, so that is the reason it was disconnected, and I rejoined once again. Okay, give me a minute. Let me open quickly the files. Okay, let me open the application. So power gone, and in my laptop I have 25 minutes backup. Okay, so as much as possible we try to do it. If it is like dying my laptop, then we'll end up the session for today earlier. If power came, no issues. If in case power is not there, so earlier like it is I have not connected, now it is 25 minutes backup on it is there. Okay, we'll try to like as much as possible try to cover. If power comes, there is no issue, it will be continued. If in case power gone, I will disconnect it in another like 20 minutes only, 15 to 20 minutes only. Okay, let me go back to the application. So power came, no issues, it will be continued. So whether you have received my ping in the WhatsApp group, can anyone
we have
verify?
received. Yeah,
Okay, fine.
we got.
Because it is not showing completely like whether it is delivered to all or not. It is showing some disturbance, so that's why I'm just
Yeah.
checking with you.
If some of them doesn't have internet, it will not deliver.
Yeah, exactly. So if in case anything, if it is in between, if it is disconnected, please verify WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, I will mention if in case something has happened. I'm sorry, it was wasted almost 10 minutes. It is not in my control. So the services, it was started, I think, I hope. Okay, it is showing starting. What is this? I don't want anything. No problem. వచ్చేస్తుంది నా కరెంట్, వచ్చేస్తుంది కరెంటు. Okay. So meanwhile, I would like to discuss with you any questions in this one, business unit versus legal entity. Is it clear, or do you have any more concerns or any more confusions, or you are not sure at all what is this? Understood? This is most important. Legal entity versus business unit. How you want to configure in the system, whether suppose I have one company in Hyderabad, another company is in Warangal, another company is in Vijayawada, another one is in Vizag, another one is in suppose Chennai, another one is in Bangalore. So whether you want to create a company, that means legal entity, or whether you need to create a business unit, you need to take the decision being a finance consultant, and you need to propose this information to your client. So at that time, your decision will cost a lot to the customer. Okay. So I saw many clients, they are struggling a lot because of wrong decisions. So they will not recognize, of course, they will not recognize the decision, but until and unless if it is a new person came and explained, this is a mistake you did it, then it will create problems to you. So the data how they want, if they want to see all the data in one legal entity, then it is a business unit. If they want restrictions more, get it like better to go with legal entity. If they want restrictions should not reflect in the same company, I don't want to see like who is doing in Hyderabad, that information should not be shown or should not be displayed to the Chennai company, then it is legal entity. Okay, you need to understand each and every parameter a lot, and you need to take the decision, because I'm telling you that will cost a lot to the client, because we need to do a lot of customizations if it is required, which is creates many problems. Okay, fine. Now consolidation. So regarding this one, regarding this business unit and branch, legal entity and business unit, if any discussions, if you are working in a company, if any discussions required, please let me know at any point of time. Whenever you are working in a company, anything, please let me know. I'm ready to help you at that time. If there is any negotiations are happening, like personally I will help you on this one. I can discuss with them. I'm ready to help you on this area, because this decision is very, very cost cutting to the customer, to the client. If you are taken wrong decision, it will impact heavily to the client. Okay, fine. Now let me go to consolidation transactions. Because this service is running, then it will be very slow. The application will be very slow. I can't do anything. Okay, let me remove this one. Next one is, let me remove this one. No problem, it is processing. Okay, it was not deleted. Let me verify the transactions, whether any transactions showing or not. Let me verify. some few transactions are there. Give me a minute. Let me take duplicate. Let me verify. Just you want to understand how to remove and how to add also. So that is the reason I'm showing you like deleting the transaction like consolidation data and recreating. I'm showing you here. Okay, system administration, inquiries, batch jobs, whether am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is the batch job? Okay, delete consolidation transactions are going on. This is got error because it is in between the power gone. Maybe it is because of that it is going on. Give me a second. Let me verify that is cleared or not. It was cleared. Okay. Now just let me verify the trial balance in GLCO company. In GLCO company, General Ledger GLCO company, trial balance. I'm just verifying the consolidation like trial balance for this month, for this year. So it is blank. It is blank. Okay, there is no transaction data. Now what I'm doing, I'm doing consolidation process, consolidations, consolidate online, consolidate online, and now from account and to account you need to select, and from date and to date, from date and to date, and include amounts, actual amounts. Okay, include budget balances if you want, you can use it. This is budget amounts. Okay, if you want, you can enable this checkbox also. Okay, and here you can select the rebuild balances. Now financial dimensions, the hierarchy you can define. First one is business unit, second one is department, like that you can select. Next, legal entities. What are the legal entities you want to select? You can click on new button and you can add what is the percentage of the ratio. Okay, elimination I will discuss with you later. I will discuss with you later, not now. And currency translation you need to add here. So while adding, look at this one. If it is USD, it is not asking any exchange rate. If it is DMF company has currency is euro, and it is asking like for default whether you want consolidation date or transaction date or user defined date. Transaction date means in the transaction whatever the exchange rate it is there, that will be considered, and user defined date means you can enter whatever the rate you want, you can enter. Otherwise consolidation date means from the last date, whatever the date you are doing, on the consolidation date it will be. Always the best practice is transaction date. Okay, in the same manner for INMF also. Okay, you can select. And for USD, for USMF it is not required because GLCO company is also USD and USMF company also USD. Okay, and here run background, always it will be batch job. If you don't want, you can remove this batch job and you can click on OK. So I'm doing not batch job, I'm doing directly consolidation process. It may take 2 to 3 minutes time. 2 to 3 minutes time it will take.
Mr. Satya, I have a
Yes,
question.
please. Yeah.
We are using GLCO company, and another companies are the system companies, correct? And we are consolidation on these three companies in GLCO, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Means GLCO is the main company, main legal entity.
GLCO is a consolidated company. I mean to say, in this GLCO is this company, consolidated company. Okay.
Yes.
And these are companies, normal companies, USMF, DMF. I'm copying the data from here to here, data from here to here, and data from here to here. So it was completed. It was completed. So the alerts messages are coming automatically. So I'm clearing all this one. I don't want. Operation completed. Now, once it is completed, if you go to consolidations, consolidation transactions, it will show you all these three. If you select USMF, if you verify transactions, actuals, it will show you the transactions a lot. It was posted many transactions in this year. Now, if you go to close this one, and if you go to another company, suppose DMF, if you verify transactions, actuals, it will show you the transactions posted in this year. Few transactions are posted. And if you go to INMF company, transactions, actuals, it will show you some transactions, whatever it was posted. It is not showing. I will discuss with you this one, why it is not showing this one later. Okay. INMF, it is not coming. INMF, it is not coming. USMF and DMF only coming. Now, if you go to general ledger, trial balance, now if you click on here, it will show you USMF company data and DMF company data together. Okay, if you look at this one, 110180, all transactions. So it will show you, it will not show each legal entity wise. It will show combining together all the transactions. You cannot bifurcate which one is related to DMF, which one is related to INMF. It will be combined together. Okay, you can see the balances. Okay, give me a minute. Let me verify. Okay, now why the reason behind, what is the reason behind it is not showing for INMF consolidation transactions? In INMF, if I go to transactions, it is not showing the transactions. Okay, INMF it is not showing. What is the reason? Let us understand first that one. So let me go to INMF. One is INMF, and let me go to another one, DEMF or USMF. So here in this INMF, if you go here, general ledger, collapse all, chart of accounts, main accounts. I'm just verifying. In INMF, what is the chart of accounts? It is 110, 110, 110, 115, 110, 112, 120, like that it is there. Now let me verify in GLCO what is the chart of accounts. So let me close this one and let me reopen. Duplicate tab. This is in INMF. I'm verifying in GLCO. I'll verify in GLCO what is the chart of accounts. So here also it is 110, 110, 115, 110, 115. Here also it is there. So in INMF also it is same. In GLC also it is same. Same set of chart of accounts. Now let me verify in INMF whether I have any trial balance data is in this year or not. This is functionally debugging. Okay, we are verifying. So there is no transaction data at all in this. That is the reason it is not coming. Let me do one transaction quickly and let me verify whether it is capturing or not. In GLCO, there is no transaction for this year. That is the reason it is not consolidated. Now I am posting one transaction, and I would like to verify once again consolidation process, and I want to verify whether it is perfectly coming or not. Let me create one transaction today. So the reason behind why it is slow, I have enabled this batch job. I have enabled this batch job. This batch job is running. That is the reason the transaction will be very slow. Let me enter in the month of October only. Suppose I'm entering some freight charges, 500, 110180. Let me post. So just kind of verification how to do it. So if the customer is asking, any client is asking like consolidation is not working, you need to verify in such a way like this. So just for verification, I have posted one transaction. So now if I verify the trial balance, so there should be some transactions exist in the legal entity. Now some transactions are there. Now if I go to consolidation company GLCO, let me do some transactions once again. Let me do an online consolidation and let me verify whether it is I'm getting some balances or not. So I'm executing. If you want, you can remove that one, or you can post once again. You can execute once again. If you execute once again, what happens? It will overwrite the transaction data. It will overwrite. It will not to do 2 times. It will do overwrite. Okay, whatever already existing transactions. Mistake. 1 second. It was not executed. I don't want batch job. If it is a batch job, it will take so much time. Okay, I'm clicking OK. Now second time I'm executing. If I'm doing second time execution, whatever the transactions earlier it was posted, it will be moved to the history table and it will be run once again for the new transactions. Otherwise, if you want to remove, yes, you can remove that one also. You can remove and you can do it. That is your wish, how you want. For each dimension set, it is updating.
Mr. Sitya, I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Yeah. When we are
Yeah.
doing consolidation, suppose we are doing consolidation for GLCO company for 3 sister companies. We are doing this consolidation at the end of the month and end of the year.
So periodically you can do at the end of the month. Usually they will execute every month and they will execute consolidation, or whenever needed you can do it. Whenever you need, you can do it. So you can do like a consolidation process. I mean to say for specific periods also. Still it is not coming. Still it is not
Before
coming.
consolidation.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Okay. Before consolidation, that particular legal entities or transaction will be in proper manner. Then only we need to do reconciliation. Consolidation. Otherwise, what will happen? Some mistakes is there. Then all accounts will be mismatching.
Come again. I'm sorry, I missed your concern.
I'm working with
Tell me.
GLCO and I'm doing consolidation of another company. Okay, sister company. But companies, all transactions required proper in proper manner. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose we consolidate that company and that all transactions are not in proper manner, and means they require some changes and whatever. Then it will be very hectic job. So first they need to clear their accounts properly. Then only they will consolidate to each other. Correct?
Exactly, you're right. Exactly, you're right. Here, usually every month I will generate trial balance and profit and loss account and balance sheet items. Am I right? Balance sheet. These reports will be generated by government, like your management, like top management. So once it is completed, from suppose October 1st to October 31st, every transaction is completed by from each and every company. Then you can do consolidation from October 1st to October 31st by selecting here. That is the actual process.
Yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
So now consolidation it is showing here, and the consolidation transactions even for INMF also it is coming. Look at this one. If you look at this one, INMF, the transactions whatever it was posted just now, it is showing here. $500 INR means it is 9.46 US dollars. Now, if you verify the trial balance, it is showing the balances. Okay, just I will show you 110180. It was posted one transaction on some 6th of October or something. It is 500 INR. 500 INR. Transaction currency is INR, but amount in accounting currency is 9.46. Got it? Okay. I think yesterday someone is asking about if my currency, reporting currency is USD across all legal entities, then whether it will show directly copy or not. Okay. So remember, if you remember like dual currency functionality, now transaction currency will be converted into accounting currency, transaction currency will be converted into reporting currency. So earlier logic is transaction currency will be converted into accounting currency, and accounting currency will be converted into reporting currency. So you need to remember, if it is done properly, it will be executed properly in US dollars also. You need to remember this logic whenever you are validating the consolidation reports.
Yeah, that's right, Satya. I asked that question. So the question is, let's say you have 4 legal entities which are having all different currencies, but in your setup, all the accounting currency is respectively configured as per their localization, but the reporting currency, if it is USD, when you're creating a consolidation database for all of them 4 into 1, do we still need to create the exchange rates configuration in the consolidation, or or not? Because my assumption is like you can take out the trial balance in the reporting currency and map it in the consolidation. That was my assumption. That's the question.
Yeah, actually transaction currency will be converted into accounting currency. Am I right? This is the rule is applicable for everything. Now,
okay.
So if it is suppose this company has easily, this company has like a USD, and this is Euro, and this is INR. So while doing accounting currency, it is fine. For reporting currency, let me go to this one in the consolidations.
Below comma.
1 second. Consolidations.
Above. Yeah.
So consolidation online. Okay, this is referring to all whatever it is there. It is accounting currency versus accounting currency. Majorly GLCO accounting currency versus accounting currency. Here there is no discussion on related to reporting currency. Am I right?
Okay.
There is no discussion here. Now we have one function. Let me go to system administration, and then workspaces, feature management. Earlier I saw one reporting currency consolidation related one feature,
Okay.
but
So in
I did
case
not
if you
remember.
have that, then you don't have to create any of the exchange rates in the consolidation database. So that was my catch.
No, no, no. It is must you need to map exchange rate in the consolidation company also. Give me a minute.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Give me a minute. Otherwise, reporting currency. Inventory accounting reporting currency. Because I saw this one in one of the checkbox. Enable dual currency functionality in general ledger consolidation. Okay, this is in the consolidation. I'm enabling because I have not worked much, but I remember this one. Enable dual currency functionality in general ledger consolidation process. Now, let me refresh. Okay, now let me go to consolidation. Consolidation online. There will be extra buttons related to consolidation, reporting currency. Give me a second. Is there any change here?
Amount from
Select
yeah,
here
that
it is.
yes.
Select consolidation amount from accounting currency or reporting currency.
Okay.
Because why I'm telling this one, from reporting currency, if you select, that will be good. Because your all companies reporting currency is US dollars.
US dollars. Yes. So
So
this
it
is
is
what I was saying. In case if you bring that, I mean, if it's there on that option, then yeah, if you are getting that, for an example, all of them four, your reporting currency is USD only. Now consolidation currency is also accounting currency and reporting currency, both are USD only. Now here you don't need the exchange rates only because it's a same equal units, right?
but here see, this company has accounting currency different, am I right?
Correct, but its reporting currency is USD.
The reporting currency USD for this one and for this one and for this one, no issues. But
Yeah.
accounting currency is different, then definitely here also you need to enter exchange rate, different exchange. I mean to say in the ledger form it is must. So my intention is you need to map exchange rates, because for accounting currency you need to map it, am I right? At least for accounting currency we need. For reporting currency it is not required. Agree with me?
Okay, I got it. So,
In
I
the
mean, even though the transactions are flowing from different entities, it will be booking the transaction level only, accounting level, but just here reporting level is what we are seeing in the consolidation. That's it.
exactly right. Exactly right. So you need to explore this one little bit more for the reporting currency. So you can understand whenever you can understand a little bit more about this one. Okay, Sri. So
Yeah.
you are joining as a Sri. Can I know? Sorry, I forgot your name.
Sai Nath.
Sai. Okay, fine. Okay, it is speaking now Sai. Okay, what I thought Sri is different name actually. He's joining as a different name. So okay, no problem. So now here you can understand this feature a lot. Try to understand. This is for reporting currency. Okay, sorry. Try to explore more about this one because you are targeting majorly for reporting currency. You can verify this. You can explore this advanced feature. Okay.
Sure.
Sai?
Yeah. Sure, Satya.
Any more questions, please? Elimination I will discuss with you now. Okay, it is already time up. Sorry, no issues. So it was time up. So elimination I will introduce what it is and I will discuss with you next tomorrow. Okay, so you can go through this option. In this general ledger consolidation, a new option is added to the consolidation, either accounting currency or reporting currency amounts from the source companies. If the accounting or reporting currency is the same as accounting currency, reporting currency in the consolidation company, it will directly copy the amounts rather than translating them. Okay, you can explore this one and you can understand. So this feature you can Google it, you can find, and you will have more knowledge on this one. Okay, fine. Now elimination, what is this? There is one more function called elimination. Whenever you are creating a consolidation company, organization, administration, legal entities, elimination is there. Just 2 minutes I will discuss and then I will continue tomorrow. Please bear with me 2 minutes. So there is a checkbox called elimination checkbox. Okay, elimination process. What is this elimination process means? In reality, suppose USMF versus DMF. Suppose there is intercompany transaction posted, means suppose rent amount paid, rent account data to. Now intercompany means amount received to be received from DMF company will be posted as credit. Agree with me? This is intercompany transaction. Whether we have discussed this intercompany or not, whether you remember or not. If not, I will show you tomorrow. Anyone, can you recollect whether we have discussed or not?
No. Intercompany transaction. No.
Okay, then in that case, I will explain you tomorrow intercompany transaction. It is a small topic we need to discuss. Okay, and then I will show you what it is like these transactions. First, you need to understand intercompany transaction. So intercompany financial transaction. I think I have not explained. Remember, as per my remembering, like I have not explained. Okay, this I need to explain you. Then we'll discuss on elimination process. Okay, so I need to explain you about intercompany setup. Means intercompany transaction means here on behalf of another company you are paying rent amount. Take the example, you have two branches, one is in Hyderabad, another one is in Suryapet. Okay, so Suryapet is another legal entity, suppose, or Bangalore. Take the example, Bangalore is another legal entity, Hyderabad is one legal entity. Now your rent, like your building owner is the building owner for both Hyderabad and Bangalore is one person. So he is asking money from Hyderabad company only. On behalf of Bangalore, you are paying rent amount to your building owner. Now this whatever you have paid on behalf of your company, you need to collect that money from your Bangalore company. That is intercompany. Intercompany means on behalf of another your company, you are paying this much. That is intercompany. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss with you in detail what is this intercompany transaction, and then I will show you elimination process. I will explain you elimination process. And one more thing, intercompany stock transfer is available. Stock transfer, this is a part of logistics, T&L topic. This is stock movement from one company to another company. Okay, this is intercompany financials. You are learning intercompany financials, but not this one. This is a big topic in logistics. Okay. So I would like to stop here now. Anyone has any questions, please unmute yourself and ask me. Otherwise, we'll discuss once again furthermore tomorrow, same time. Any questions, please?
Mr. Satya, I have a question regarding year-end process or month-end year-end process.
Okay. Tell me.
Suppose, yeah, suppose at the end of the year or 31st December or 31st March, suppose from the 1st of January, I need to create a new voucher series from one.
Okay.
Okay, correct. But some earlier transactions also pending in the month of December. Then how we can bifurcate that, because of last year's voucher series is from whatever, and from I need to start new voucher series. Then at the time of end of means year-end process, system will not do that automatically, no?
So automatically it is not possible. You need to remember the last voucher number, and you can go to the number sequence. You can change it. So we have only one option: manual task.
Yeah, but I need to open last year and say next year.
Yeah, at a time you cannot do. So you need to enter one by one, like as I told you, like this is a product limitation. I do agree with you, whatever it is there, but it is a product limitation. So you need to go to manually and you need to modify that one. So at that time, if you are modifying, definitely, I mean to say, it is manual task, and there is a mess up, like if it is one person is doing last year transaction, if one person is doing this year transaction, this will create problems.
Correct.
I agree with you, but we don't have any alternative solution. This is a product limitation only.
Okay, I will means I want some more clarification about year-end process, but I will ask you later because I need to practice first.
Yeah. Okay, please go through that one and try to ask as many as questions before the end of the session, because after that also I will help you, but not 100% on, I mean to say, in the group we have discussions, so you cannot get opportunity to discuss with me directly. Of course, it is a very complex scenario, definitely I will jump in, definitely. But if it is a small things, I will not recollect. I will not give clarifications in the group. If it is a small things, if it is a complex, definitely we'll discuss.
Okay. No, why this is coming? Because of when I yesterday check again our that means our recording sessions. In that means only a few things is there, so that's why I have lots of questions, but I need to practice first and then I will ask you.
Sure, definitely. You can come back to me. Whatever the questions you have, please come back to me. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Any more questions, please? Anyone? Okay. If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning. See you all. Bye.
Thank you.